How to fix App Store missing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the problem like App Store is missing on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to use the Spotlight source from your home screen. For that, you'll have to swipe down on the home screen and from here in the source field type for App Store. If you find the App Store from here, you can simply open it. If you not find it, you'll have to check for the screen time restriction. For that, open up settings. From settings section, scroll down and tap on screen time. From this section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option content and privacy restriction. From the section, tap on iTunes and App Store processes. And from here, make sure that you have turned on or give all of the access for installing, deleting or in-app process from here. You should make allow option from here. After you make it from here, your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just reset the entire home screen layout. For that, from the settings section, you'll have to tap on General. From General, scroll down at the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap on Reset. And from here, simply tap on Reset Home Screen Layout. After you tap on that, this will put App Store back to the original spot. If it is not working, you'll have to just update your iOS if it is a bug. For that, again from the General section, tap on Software Update. From here, make sure that you are up to date with iOS latest version. If you are still missing the App Store, make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. For that, from the General section again, tap on VPN and Device Management. From here, make sure you are not connected to any VPN for your iPhone. And now you are done. Your App Store should be back and working now. If you found this helpful, follow for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.